In today's fast-evolving pharmaceutical landscape, customers demand more than their CDMO partners, seeking expertise that expands beyond manufacturing to encompass the entire value chain, from development through to commercial launch.
At Suanfarma CDMO, we take pride in being a trusted partner. Our comprehensive end-to-end solutions provide genuine competitive advantages, helping customers achieve their objectives with exceptional quality and cost efficiency. Our services cover everything from cell banking to the release of drug substances, backed by full regulatory support from leading global agencies. Based in Europe, our capabilities integrate GMP industrial processes like fermentation, purification, and chemical synthesis, all at a single site. This centralization simplifies supply chain management, optimizing both time and costs. Flexibility and transparency are values our clients greatly appreciate. We continuously adapt to the unique needs of each project, ensuring optimal capacity and design supported by our strong track record and scientific expertise.
Aligned with these values, our strategies focus on sustainability goals, addressing environmental, social, and governance principles, from comprehensive waste recycling to increasing the use of green energy.
At Suanfarma CDMO, we aim to exceed expectations, supporting our clients in bringing their molecules to market efficiently and sustainably.
One of our key tools for ensuring efficiency and success is our TT&GO platform.
TT&GO offers a robust methodology for technology transfer, minimizing risks and maximizing success. As part of our global project management strategy, this platform ensures the seamless industrialization of any process in our facilities, enabling fast and efficient commercialization. Whether it's transferring knowledge from R&D labs, scaling up from development to commercial manufacturing, or coordinating with external manufacturers, TT&GO applies rigorous GMP-based processes to guarantee quality at every stage.
Suanfarma CDMO stands by your side, ensuring quality, reliability, and a seamless path to success in every step of your journey.